The human brain is a marvel of nature, a complex and intricate organ that orchestrates every aspect of our being. It is the seat of our thoughts, emotions, and memories, the control center for our movements and sensations. Despite centuries of study, the brain remains an enigma, holding secrets that continue to intrigue and challenge scientists. This essay embarks on a journey into the depths of the human brain, exploring its structure, functions, and the mysteries that continue to captivate our imagination. We will delve into the fascinating world of neurons, the brain's communication specialists, and uncover the roles of different brain regions. From the perception of a vibrant sunset to the formulation of a complex thought, we will witness the brain in action, unraveling the mechanisms behind our daily experiences. Join us as we explore the wonders of the human brain, a testament to the remarkable capabilities of nature's most sophisticated creation. At the core of the brain's remarkable abilities lies the neuron, a specialized cell designed for communication. Neurons are the fundamental units of the nervous system, responsible for transmitting information throughout the body. Imagine a vast network of interconnected wires, each carrying a pulse of electricity. This is a simplified way to envision the intricate communication highway of our nervous system. Neurons communicate with each other through specialized connections called synapses. At a synapse, an electrical signal traveling along one neuron triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters then bind to receptors on the receiving neuron, influencing its electrical activity and passing the message along. This intricate dance of electrical and chemical signaling allows for rapid and precise communication between billions of neurons. These connections are not static. They're constantly changing, strengthening, and weakening in response to our experiences. This dynamic process, known as synaptic plasticity, forms the basis of learning and memory. The human brain is not a uniform mass. It is organized into distinct regions, each specialized for specific functions. Imagine a bustling city, with different districts dedicated to commerce, industry, and culture. Similarly, the brain has areas responsible for movement, sensory processing, language, memory, and more. The largest and most evolutionarily advanced part of the brain is the cerebrum, responsible for higher cognitive functions. The cerebrum is divided into two hemispheres, each controlling the opposite side of the body. The outermost layer of the cerebrum is the cerebral cortex, a folded sheet of tissue that houses our conscious thoughts, perceptions, and voluntary actions. The cortex is further divided into four lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. The frontal lobe, located at the front of the head, plays a crucial role in planning, decision-making, and personality. The parietal lobe, situated behind the frontal lobe, processes sensory information from the body, including touch, temperature, and pain. A world of sensations. How our brain processes sensory input. Our senses provide us with a constant stream of information about the world around us. The smell of freshly brewed coffee, the warmth of sunlight on our skin, the sound of a symphony. But how do these raw sensations transform into meaningful perceptions within the brain? Sensory information from our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin travels along dedicated nerve pathways to specific regions of the brain. For example, visual information from the eyes is transmitted to the occipital lobe at the back of the brain, where it is processed and interpreted. Similarly, auditory information from the ears is relayed to the temporal lobes, located on either side of the head, where it is deciphered into recognizable sounds and language. The brain acts as an expert conductor, orchestrating this symphony of sensory input into a cohesive and meaningful experience. This process is not merely passive. The brain actively filters, interprets, and assigns significance to incoming sensory information based on our past experiences, expectations, and current context. This dynamic interplay between sensation and perception shapes our unique understanding of the world. The dance of movement, motor control, and coordination. From the graceful movements of a dancer to the precise actions of a surgeon, our ability to move our bodies with purpose and control is orchestrated by the brain. The motor cortex, a strip of tissue located in the rear portion of the frontal lobe, is responsible for planning and executing voluntary movements. When we decide to move, signals originate in the motor cortex and travel down the spinal cord, carrying instructions to the appropriate muscles. The cerebellum, a cauliflower-shaped structure at the back of the brain, plays a crucial role in coordinating these movements, ensuring they are smooth, accurate, and well-timed. Imagine a skilled conductor leading an orchestra. The cerebellum acts as the brain's maestro, ensuring that the various muscle groups involved in a movement work together in harmony. This intricate interplay between the motor cortex, cerebellum, and muscles allows us to navigate our environment, interact with objects, and express ourselves through movement. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content.